In this video, we'll learn about the color sort tool, and that is found up here in the kind of red tool group at the top. And the tool is listed as color sort, and that will be available anytime you have a design where there are multiple colors. And essentially it will combine the colors that are similar so they don't need to be stitched more than once. Let's just open a new workspace to kind of demonstrate that. And then I guess if we just brought in some kind of an embroidery design from our workspace, so I'll bring in the little bunny rabbit. So the design has, it says white, pink, pink, yellow, yellow, gray, gray. It's all kind of perfect sewing sequence unless you start making copies of it, right? And so now I have two of the bunny, and I could have as many copies of the bunny as I wanted to, just keep clicking on the copy button or use copy and paste to create a whole, sort of design area of bunnies. But notice that the way that I created it, every time I pasted a new bunny, it duplicated all their colors. So this simply sews all of one bunny before moving on to all of the next bunny, before moving on to all of the next bunny. Well, if all of these bunnies fit within one embroidery hoop, and you want to sort of reduce the number of times that you need to change the color, you can use the color sort tool. And so if I click right now on color sort, it works through the design and it reduced this entire design by 26 color stops. Now you'll notice the trailing threads happening because what's happened now is it does the white in each bunny, and then it does the light pink in each bunny, then the dark pink in each bunny, and so on. And so that to do that, the machine will jump in between, and so that's fine. You'd simply turn on 3D to see that those aren't actual embroidery stitches. They're simply the trailing threads that, the path of the machine. So the color sort tool is perfect for when you're making duplicates of the design and it says red, white, blue, and then red, white, blue, over and over again. And by using color sort, it can make all the red, all the white, and all the blue. I will say that color sort is smart enough to understand layering. So if you have a snowman that has white fill but black eyes on top, and then on top of those black eyes there's little white kind of eye shine marks, the software will understand that the black needs to be on top of the white and the white also needs to be on top of the black, and therefore it does not ever combine those colors of white together. And so it's quite a smart tool as well as a very helpful tool, and it's called color sort, found at the top of your workspace.